Hello guys, welcome to SK Legal Vlogs. As you are watching on the screen, today our concept is on the topic of award, but the award may be of different perspective point of view, such as from different point of view, its different definition can be taken. But here, the meaning of the award is only with respect to the Industrial Disputes Act. This is the main thing which is to be kept in mind before going watching this vlog. So firstly, we see the meaning of an award as per the Industrial Disputes Act 1947. So in terms of section 2B of the act, an award means an interim or a final determination of an industrial disputes or of any question relating thereto by any labor court, tribunal or national industrial tribunal, and includes an arbitration award made under section 10A of the Industrial Disputes Act. It appears from the perusal of the definition that we discussed above that the question of any industrial disputes should have been decided on its merits. Next step is publication of an award. The award must be in writing and signed by the presiding officer. It should be published by the appropriate government within 30 days of its submission and receipt. It will be published in the manner the government thinks fit, and this provision of section 17 are directory in nature. But it should not be published when a settlement is arrived at before publication. Now you see, when does an award become enforceable? According to section 17A subsection 1, an award including an arbitration award becomes enforceable on the expiry of 30 days from the date of its publication, and if award is totally accepted, it will be enforced in its true spirit, and if it partly amended, it will be enforceable only after the approval of the amendment by the parliament or the state legislature, as the case may be. The appropriate government is empowered to reject the award on the ground that there will be too much financial burden and national economy will be adversely affected thereby. Award will be enforceable from the specified date, and in case no date has been specified, then generally after 30 days from the expiry of the date of the publication would be deemed as the date on which it is enforceable. Next, name of the person on whom awards are binding. A settlement arrived at by agreement between the employer and workmen, otherwise than in the course of conciliation proceeding, shall be binding on the parties to the agreement, or an arbitration award which has become enforceable shall be binding on the parties to the agreement who refer the dispute to arbitration, and an award of labor court, tribunal or national tribunal which has become enforceable is binding on all parties to the industrial disputes or all other parties summoned to appear in the proceedings as parties to the dispute, unless they are so summoned or without proper cause as per the record of the opinion of the labor court of tribunal, and is also binding on the employers, his heirs, successors or assigns in respect of the establishment to which the dispute relates, and lastly it is binding on the workmen at the time and date of referring the disputes for adjudication in service, and also those workmen who are subsequently employed in that establishment or part thereof. It is not binding on the members of a union which was not party to the reference, as was held in the case of Dunlop India Limited versus their workmen. So friend, this is the today's vlog, and for such type of interested daily vlog, kindly subscribe my channel and share and like the video so that future videos will be available to you from time to time. Thanks for watching this vlog.